Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana coin. The price line of Solana has already broken out the resistance of a big channel, and right now it has broken out another resistance of a new channel. And in today's video, I want to show you what can be our next target. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. First of all, I would like to show you this channel, and on the daily time frame we can see that the price line entered the channel on 7th of September, and after entering the channel it was not able to break out this resistance, and on 27th of September, even here on 29th of September, the price line broke out the resistance of this channel after testing this $130 very strong key support. And I've been telling you that since after the price line has broken out this key support, previously it was working as a resistance here, we had a rejection, and after this rejection the price action broke out this support, this resistance. The price line never able to break down this support again. You can see we had a very drastic drop here on 7th of September, but it was retraced back, and we also had tested this support here, here, and there as well. But right now the price line, after last time testing this support, broke out this channel, and on the 4-hourly time frame, recently the price action has formed another channel. This is the new channel formation, and that was another down channel, and this is the resistance of the new channel, and this was the support. And you can see that we have third candlestick that after this breakout, and we also have very nice support of this uptrend line support as well. Now there will be another upcoming resistance. For example, if I connect all these candlesticks, like we had a rejection here, again we had a rejection here, and we had another big rejection here, and if I connect all these candlesticks, then the price line can have a resistance, upcoming resistance here, or maybe here. For example, if the price line will move a little bit sideways and hit here, that will be beyond $200. But our imminent target after this breakout from this channel can be here, that is approximately at $176. However, if we again switch back to the daily time frame and watch the target for this big channel, then this target is approximately also at $200. And we have recently broken out another channel, so we can expect that soon the price line will reach this target, but I'm expecting that this time the Solana can set a new all-time high again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.